Have you ever wondered what keeps the world of business rolling and how are all the things connected? Coffee is a great example. Hi, I'm Marcell Vollmer. I'm the Chief Innovation Officer at Celonis, and I really need my morning coffee. So what makes your day good or bad? It's the processes around you. At Celonis, we use process mining technology to empower people and companies to turn these processes into extraordinary experiences, like this coffee here. Thank you, Arthur. Delicious. So what's the story of this coffee bean? Let me tell you. The coffee is first harvested, then washed, gutted, sorted, dried, and then bagged. In the right quantity and quality, several tons of coffee beans are then transported from coffee farmers to various countries and continents. For ecological and economic reasons, green coffee is transported by ship containers. These containers are critical for the right temperature and humidity, and they are key for the organic certification. But why do I tell you this? Simple. We need to execute all these steps without any friction. Today, all this happens digitally. I can discover, enhance, and monitor any business process end-to-end and in real time from where I am. Here, I can see every single step in procurement and supply chain, times, processes, responsibilities, and of course, deviations. Totally exciting and super important for any company. From the delivery of the roasting of the beans to the selling of the coffee. By the way, a filled bag of coffee beans weighs 150 pounds, 69 kilograms. They should really think about the weight. To roast coffee is an art in itself. Key is the right timing, a roasting machine working without any failure, and telling the team how many times to roast the batches before they get processed. If you want to create extraordinary experiences, you need to have full insights into your processes and remove all friction. Or as we say, make processes super fluid. Unfortunately, we cannot be everywhere at the same time. Or can we?